What do you think has been the worst decision of RBI in the history?
I would say demonetization comes close to decisions, but it wasn't the RBI, it was a decision it was asked to take. The feeling was that if we demonetize, a lot of people will declare a black money.
Exactly.
And we'll get so much more in taxes. I don't think it happened at all.
How do we decide who will be on the face of note? In India, we have Mahatma Gandhi ji, but there's no one else.
We can't agree on anybody else. You can tamper with the color, you can tamper with the size, but you can't tamper with the face. Because once you pick a face, it becomes very, very controversial.
What is the basic salary of an RBI governor and what are the perks you get?
It used to be 4 lakhs a year.
4 lakhs a year?
The biggest perk is the house. I did a calculation at one point. If we sold the house, we'd get about 450 crores.
Who do you think was the best finance minister of India?
I think
Today we got one of the biggest guests of 2023 on Figuring Out, Dr. Raghuram Rajan, the ex-RBI governor. मतलब टेक्निकली जिनके हाथ में कंट्रोल होता है कि इस कंट्री में कितनी करेंसीज आएंगी या नहीं आएंगी, कितने नोट नए प्रिंट होंगे और हर नोट पे जिनका साइन होता था. That person we got here. It's an honor to have conversation with one of the leading economists in the world and India's ex-RBI governor. We try to understand from him कि सुपर पावर बनने के लिए हमें चाहिए क्या होता है. What does India need in order to become the world leader? How can you and I become a part of this growing economy and actually create a lot of opportunities for ourselves? Why did government ban 2000 rupee note? What does it mean to do demonetization in the country? एंड RBI के वर्स्ट डिसीजंस क्या है, बेस्ट डिसीजंस क्या है, इन सब के बारे में बात करी.